This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacie Powell. Very nice brick rancher located in quiet cul-de-sac in sought-after Forest Hills and Chittum Elementary School District. Features include wood floors, replacement windows, brand new architectural rood, 2021, large family room is open to kitchen. Enjoy the double fireplace from both the family room and living room. Spacious screen porch overlooking the private backyard. 1-car attached garage, plus detached garage. For more information, review the details below.